The Orphaned Object panel solves a specific problem common in Cognos. When a user is deleted in a namespace, whether it's LDAP, AD, or a custom authentication provider, any content in that user's My Content is left behind in Cognos. It still exists. It's difficult to access, either to delete it or recover it. Here, once again, MotioPI is a lifesaver. MotioPI in the Orphaned Objects panel can find orphaned content and either move it to a recoverable location or delete it entirely. Here, briefly, is the Orphaned Objects panel in action. Select My Content to search for content that may have been orphaned. Optionally, you can type in the ID of a namespace if you have shut down an entire namespace and wish to see all content from that namespace. Or you can enter in a specific user's CAM ID if you know the specific user you wish to access. Now press Submit. The Orphaned Object panel will find the content left behind when the user was deleted and display it in the results table below. From here, you can delete that content or move it to an accessible location. And just like that, the Orphaned Objects panel has enabled you to identify and delete content otherwise inaccessible in your environment, ensuring that you are able to keep the size of your content store down to just what's actually used in your environment.